Depression, anxiety and stress of police officers in sensitive and insensitive police stations. Maintaining law and order is not an easy task at all. Policing, a highly stressful occupation, is the most dangerous profession worldwide and involves several physical and emotional risks. There can be a series of traumatic situations faced by police officers which may harm them physically or psychologically, e.g. witnessing riots, injuries, deaths, bombing, shooting, etc. Public and political pressures, on the other hand, increase their stress even more. Studies have linked various stressors of police work to psychological distress, depression, anxiety, alcoholism, burnout, cardiac disorders, family and marital problems, etc. Evidence also suggests that police officers are at increased risk for suicide. Depression, anxiety, and stress are considered as the most diagnosed psychological problems in almost every population. Researchers have specifically studied the relationship between these problems and work environment or work pressure and have found that depression, anxiety, and stress lead to decreased or negative performance at workplace. Moreover, depression, anxiety and stress are also responsible for dissatisfaction with life, quality of life, and social interaction. The nature of duty station surely plays a vital role in increasing or decreasing workload, employees' performance and job satisfaction, thereby putting its impact of employees' mental health. A workplace stressor is a significant feature and is associated with the work environment. Workload, on the other hand, is reported to be negatively related to job satisfaction and is positively related to depression, anxiety, and irritation. Police officers, when transferred or placed at those police stations which are not preferred by them or which require more risk, are more prone to psychological distress. Rothman and Pinar reported that the environmental aspect of policing is a significant source of stress. Studies among South African police officers by Rothman and Van Rensburg also indicated decreased levels of job satisfaction and high levels of occupational stress associated with the work surroundings. The nature of the external work environment differs from place to place as different localities may not have similar crime. Some police stations may require additional time and involvement of the officers as compared to other stations. Previous research indicates that stress results from a negative workplace environment and interactions at work are recognized as a major problem for police officers. In addition to the operational stressors inherent in police work, numerous studies have pointed out that factors related to organizational structure and climate can be an even greater source of stress for the police officer. Shift schedules that disrupt normal sleep patterns and social life, authoritarian management styles, poor interpersonal relationships with supervisors, interdepartmental politics, lack of adequate planning and resources, lack of promotion and transfer opportunities, excessive paperwork, lack of autonomy in performing duties and lack of recognition for work accomplishments are among the organizational stressors faced by members of the police force. A study by Dr. Sukoon analyzed the role of duty stations in depression, anxiety, and stress of police officers. The results revealed that police officers working in sensitive police stations had significantly higher levels of depression, anxiety, and stress as compared to the officers working in insensitive stations. Thanks for listening. To read the entire paper, kindly visit www.dersakoon.info.